what are Google already ranking? So this is probably the biggest mistake most people make when trying to rank on Google. And it's something that took me a long time to learn. And you have to pay attention to what Google are already ranking. So to give a bunch of examples of this, if you search for the term on-page SEO, this is an information-based term, and you'll want to rank with long-form content. So to show how that works, on-page SEO, that's showing results of that. The first page that comes back here is this backlinko site. So we go check that out, and you'll see it's a long form content. It's a big blog post. So if you want to rank for on-page SEO, you need to do a blog post with a lot of content. This search term, by QC25 noise cancelling headphones. If we search for that, thing that comes back here is this first result, and this is a product page. So if you want to rank for this term, you'll want to try and rank your product page. So here I've said this is a product-based term, and you want to rank with the product page. So laptops for sale. Laptops for sale is a product category page. So a whole bunch of different laptops all on this page. So it's a category page with all the different products. So if you want to rank for laptops for sale or some similar term, you want to do it with a product category page. So this term, awesome GIF. If you do that, you'll see that you want to rank. You want to rank with an image. So Google are coming back with images. So rank with an image. And if you do how to start a YouTube channel, so what this comes back here with is videos. So if you want to rank for this keyword, you'll probably want to do a video, and you'd probably want to do it on YouTube. So these three are all on YouTube. If you want to rank for something like oil price news, what you want to rank for, what you want to use here is news releases. So these top three are all news releases, and you can do a site, but there's also YouTube, but the top three here are all news releases. So you would want to do a press release to rank for oil price news. Now, if you wanted to do plumber Perth, if you wanted to rank for plumber Perth, you would want to rank in the map pack here. So you would want to get a Google My Business, and you'd want to optimize your Google My Business listing. So what I'm trying to say here is you have to look and see what Google are already ranking, and then you have to create the content around what they're already ranking. So that's one of the biggest mistakes that people can make, and it's a very important concept. If you get it right, you'll be leagues ahead of most people when they're just starting out. So very important concept to get, and basically the results tell you what type of content you need to do. So you always want to go and you want to check what's already ranking before committing to your content, or you want to redo your keyword research. If you've already got content and you want to rank for that content, you want to go and do your keyword research to try and match the content. So I'll just put here: don't try and rank for an information-based term with a product page, and vice versa. Don't try and rank for a product-based term with an information page. So that's all I have in this lesson. I'll catch you in the next one.